There is an emergency call for help! There is an emergency call for help! Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter, please come and put out the fire! The water gun can douse the fire! Firefighter Kiki sets off! Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a wet towel and find a safe place to wait for rescue when a house is on fire. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete! Let's fill the fire truck with water. Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect. Turn the hose to tighten it. Which of these pipes can be connected? Great! Connect the rest of the pipes. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier. There is an emergency call for help! Help! Some people fell in the water! Putting life buoys on the persons in water can help them float in water. Firefighter Kiki is on the way! Don't be afraid, Candy. The rescue team will be here soon. Tap the person in the water and put a life buoy on him. Slide the rope to pull him up. Rescue mission completed! Danger removed. Bye! Goodbye, firefighter! There is an emergency call for help! What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby foxes climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them. The ladder can be raised for rescue. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. Miss Maymay, don't be afraid. Firefighter Kiki will act immediately. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Tap the baby fox to catch it with a net bag. Raise the ladder and search in the tree above. Tap the spider web to slide the joystick and go to the bushes above for rescue. The baby foxes were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, Kiki. Look, the pool is short of water.